What is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel back again on my channel to give you guys yet another video. Today we are going to be doing an Amazon review. I haven't done an Amazon review in a long time, and I'm not really sure why I stopped completely. I think I just got out of the habit of doing them. But truthfully, you guys, I ordered so many things off of Amazon, and I'm going to start sharing them with you, okay? And I just started a new theme on my channel, so I'm trying to put my nose ring in. I just started a new thing on my channel where I'm starting all my videos off with an affirmation card, just to kind of tie some things together. No matter what kind of video that I am producing, you can always count on these. I'm going to try my best to upkeep with these me and me affirmation cards. So if they have these on Amazon, I will link them, but I didn't get them off of Amazon. I got them on I got them at a market, so I'm not gonna look. Feel free, if you don't care about this, to just go ahead and skip to the review. But if you are interested, just hold tight for 1 second. Okay, we got love, okay? It says, affirmation, I am worthy of love. Reminder, I can accept others' love while trying to accept my own love. Practice, I love you. Say it to yourself. Say it to your friend, pet, or partner. You and those around you need to hear these 3 words today, okay? So that is the affirmation of the day. Now let's hop into what this video is about, which is about earwax removal. So I got an earwax removal kit, and I will put in a video of live action of me actually getting out impacted wax that was in my ear that I had no clue was in there. You might want to know why I even decided to get this in the first place. This is what it is. It's the earwax remover. And basically there's a camera that is attached to this device, and it comes with a little scooper and different other scoopers, and the little blue glove that goes over the scooper so that you don't harm yourself. This thing is amazing. If you're not someone, if you feel like you got something stuck in your ear, if you know you have something stuck in your ear and you're not able to go to the ear doctor right away, maybe you don't want to be hit with a hefty bill in these times, then I highly suggest that you go ahead and buy this. Okay, so I'm opening up the box. I did use this yesterday, so it's not completely new, but it comes like this. This is the charger. You're not supposed to leave it on the charger longer than an hour and a half. It comes with these little gloves to go over the contraption. So you see how if you wanted to just scoop something out of your ear, they have extra tools for you, and they have a corresponding glove sleeve that goes on top of it. And I didn't have any problems with making sure that it was secure. You just have to, just tug on it a little bit and see if it's secure, and if it is, you're good to go. So they have a couple of these scoopers of different kinds. They have metal, they have plastic, they have trying to give a little close-up. They have this right here with some texture on it in case you need to get something out. They have this spring. I imagine that if you had a lot of wax, it could help clean. This probably can just help clean your ear canal in general with all the excess wax that is a part of the canal. It's healthy to have earwax because it's supposed to keep things from getting to your eardrum. It's a part of keeping your ears safe, so it's not bad to have stuff in your ears, earwax. But impacted wax, I can actually hear better today. This is not, I'm not just saying this, and I'm not trying to sell this to you. I'm simply just sharing this with you because I felt like it was amazing. And for the price, I think I only paid somewhere between $25 and $30 for this product. So for $30 and not having to go to an ear doctor in order to get my ears clean, I feel like it was completely worth it. So this is the tool. I did use it yesterday. This is the tool, and basically when you press this button, you have to connect it to your phone so that you can have a live feed of the video footage, and the image is so clear. It's so clear. It's such a great quality camera, and I just think that this tool is amazing. Okay, and then it comes with an otoscope manual. I guess that's what it's called, an otoscope, ear scope basically. And then So the ear pick is right here, and then the camera lens is in this little funnel. It's like a little funnel that has a light. So this circle, it has a light in there and a camera. So basically, yeah, it just shows you all the different ways you can use the tools here, how you're supposed to use it. At first, I was kind of worried because I was like, I don't want to hurt myself, you know, how I know if like I'm going too far and things like that. But in general, it takes you a little while to kind of learn how to navigate throughout your canal to kind of like see, should I move left? Should I move right? Up, down? How do I scoop this out of my ear? But overall, if you just take your time, you'll be okay, and you'll get a general sense. Like, just go extremely slow, and you'll get a sense of like the depth that you need to go so that you're not hurting yourself, and you don't put yourself in any danger. I give this product like a 10 out of 10. Like, I normally don't even leave reviews on Amazon, but it was so good that I decided to leave a review. So if anybody was wondering if they should get this, like, that they would. And I don't know, I'm happy that I have this. I got it because like in my ears, I was feeling like my ears were like itchy a little bit. Like I was always trying to scoop something out of my ear, and I found myself doing it a lot, especially when I had nails, trying to get deeper in there. So I'm like, there must be something, some wax that's irritating me or something that I can't get to. And technically, even though we all use them, Q-tips are not really the best for your ears because you could hurt yourself with them. You could damage your hearing with them if you don't know how to use them, or if you are poking too deep. So I felt like having a camera attached to help me know like how far is too far, and to actually be able to see if there's anything in there that I need to be taking out before just, you know, poking myself with a earwax. Then it helps, because if you do have Q-tips, then you could just go more shallow, because you know that if you have anything deeper in your ear, you could use this to just go ahead and scoop it out. And then if you have any residue or just general earwax that you want to remove, then you could go ahead and use the Q-tips shallow, so you don't have to be trying to dig deep, you know, to get anything. So yeah, so basically you get 90 minutes worth of charge. I think I used it, I had got so fixated because there was like a huge, in my left ear, there was a huge impacted wax that was like right on the cusp of where it was going into my canal, and I was obsessed with trying to get it out because I'm like, why can't I get this out? You know, it was very much impacted and it was stuck in there. And it, I hope it's not too TMI, but it was like the size of, I don't know, maybe a little smaller than a ladybug. And it was a lot of wax, you guys. It was a lot. And it was a lot. So I'm just happy that it's out. And then I actually researched afterwards, like, if impacted wax affects your hearing, and they say that it actually does. Like, getting out impacted wax can improve your hearing by 10 decibels. So I was like, wow, that's so crazy. Like, I literally can hear better because of this. So if you guys are interested in this particular product and you would like to get it for yourself, I'm sure if you are searching up earwax removal on Amazon, then you are interested in this kind of tool. So I would say go for it. If you're just looking to loosen up some wax, I saw other people in the reviews in the comments saying that they had got, you know, the earwax softeners, and it didn't really help. It just more so made the earwax more gummy. I mean, I guess if you find out that you have impacted wax and it's really hard for you to remove it safely, I guess it would be nice to go ahead and soften up that wax with maybe a certain solution, and then go ahead with this to scoop it out to make sure you're doing safe removals without harming your eardrums, okay? So I don't think that this video needs to be super duper long. Once again, I think that the packaging is good. The quality is, I would say, 12 out of 10 for the price that you're paying for it. And considering that if I wanted to get that earwax removed, I would have to go to an ear doctor. This probably saved me, let's say, even if I paid $30 for it, including shipping, it saved me probably like $100, $150, because, you know, it's very expensive to get access to doctors. So if you're not looking for that, if you have something stuck in your ear, if you're worried, if you have something irritating your ear, because that kind of was the reason why I even stumbled across this. If you have something irritating your ear, you can go ahead and get this to figure out what it is, so you can determine if you even need to go to an ear doctor or if you could just handle it at home yourself. And then what's the last thing I want to say? This tool, it is water resistant. So at one point I did put water in this ear to see if it would help anything. So if you guys want to see me actually retrieve the earwax that I had got out of my ear, you can stay tuned for the very end. If you are squeamish, then you might not want to stay, and if you don't want to see the insides of my ears and how my ears is working, then you might want to click off right about now, but not before you check out the links down below. Okay, check out that link down below if you just want to check it out, read some more comments, see if you are interested in buying this particular product. If not, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And as always, stay posh and stay cute. I'll see you guys in the next one.